Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have BeatsX wireless neckband earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your earphones are not connecting to your device or if they are not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set everything up again because all of the pairing history and everything like that will be wiped off. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're trying to set these up on a new device and you just want to get them back fresh, like you're taking them out of the box, we can just go ahead and do that really simply. All we need to do is on the one side, we're going to come and we're going to find the power button, and on the other side, we'll find the volume down button. You're just going to hold those two buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds until you see the LED indicator light blink, at which point you can just stop holding the buttons and your headphones have been reset. And you can go ahead and then just repair them with whatever device you like.